Hi folks, my name is Chris Gregory from Heartland Horseshoe School here in Lamar, Missouri. These are the classic pull-offs. If you look at the width of the head, that width is absolutely perfect to give you enough leverage to pull the shoe without actually doing damage to the foot or wrenching on the leg. But I'm really excited about this. These are what they call the C grooves. Whenever you open the shoe with a pair of pull-offs, it's very easy to get your shoe at an angle. So if you come across at an angle like that, whenever you open the shoe, it ends up twisting it, so you had to go back to the anvil anyway. With these C grooves, you're able to open up directly across. When you are opening a shoe cold, let me show you the easiest way to do it. If you put it between your knees right here, you can put your pull-offs in that particular spot right there, and then it's almost just like cocking a bow. And so with very little effort, you don't have to be strong at all to get a lot of width in a shoe very quickly using those C grooves. So for me to pull a shoe, I pick up the foot, and I just clean enough of it on either side to get the pull-offs under it. Then I go behind the nail, squeeze my pull-off handles all the way, and whatever part of the shoe I'm at, I push in that direction. So here I'm going to push down and to the left slightly. A hard pop. Other side, hard pop. Okay, now grab again, push down, knock that down, and I love a flat end on my pull-offs because that allows me to get a nail up so easily.
This is the ideal blade width to give you strength, leverage, and mechanics for pulling shoes.